this is Priyanka and welcome to Club Mahindra Tungi. Come on, let me show you what this resort is doing to take care of their guests in the times of COVID. Come here. Hello, Mr. Obli. He is the resort housekeeping manager. Please tell us, how do you take care of our safety?
Yeah, once the guests come over here, we used to sanitize their vehicles with using of mobile disinfectant sprayers. Also, we used to check their temperatures to check whether they do have downloaded Oracle Safety app or not.
Okay.
Also, we inspect them and we strictly follow that they should wear the mask. If they do have the mask, we used to provide from here, and after that we allow them inside.
Okay, let's have a check at the reception.
Once they come into that main coach, we used to sanitize the luggage with using of ULB fogger.
The same warm welcome, now with extra safety.
Yeah, you can sanitize your hands. It's a sensor based. We'll try it out. So we have to place. It's asking me to wear a mask. So this is an automated machine to check the temperature?
Yes,
Is
it not only takes the temperature, it also keeps a record of who all steps up to it.
Okay.
And at what time. So if later it is required, the documentation or for any kind of purpose it is required, we can spool it.
Okay. Okay. Thanks a lot for the information, Siddhant.
So making sure that to maintain the social distancing, we do directly all.
Okay.
Also, we have two, one for checking and one for checkout. For the signing, we used to have used pen separately and sanitized pen separately.
Okay.
Also used key cards, we used to sanitize again with
Okay.
UV box. Also, if the guest sitting over here, we used to sanitize each after use.
Okay. That's great.
As you gear up for an amazing holiday, we gear up to keep it safe. And when it comes to that, hygiene is everything. Literally everything.
अभी 2 घंटा इधर रखा है।
Okay.
उसको 2 घंटे के बाद मैं उसको साफ करने के लिए लेता है।
Okay. That's nice. Thanks.
We're now ready to welcome you again.
So what are these?
So these are normal drinks.
Okay.
There's amla and ginger.
Yeah, but I think the water is warm. I mean,
Hot,
it's kind of.
it's hot water.
Okay.
And we have also added some cinnamon, some cardamom for additional flavor
Wow.
and immunity boost.
Kids, you can have it. It's safe. Okay, so now we are heading to the room. It's an electric car, which is eco-friendly. Hop in, kids. Hop in. Hello, guys. A series of solar panels. Even the taps have been changed to sensor-based taps, so that people do not touch them.
We have to collect it and we have to keep it separately. Also,
Yes.
we have segregated in a separate area.
Yes, so this is
Each and every
for
public
face
place.
masks, gloves, and
Yes.
tissues and PPE kit.
Our dining style has changed. Our delicious food has not.
We are entering the restaurant. Let's see what they are taking care of inside the restaurants.
The guest use the umbrella, they have to keep it separately.
Okay.
After the keeping separately over here, the person will sanitize that umbrella
Okay.
and he will replace this.
Okay. Okay.
Here you can see that we have this display, digital display where we will show all safety posters will be there.
Okay. This is your hand sanitizer.
Yes. This Prashant is taking care of
Hi.
measure your temperature and your
Okay.
temperature.
And we also have an acrylic shield.
This is our table setup. These bottles are sanitized after every session.
Okay.
These are the table mats, disposable table mats. All cutleries will be sanitized and packed in the wrapper. This is a buffet layout. Here what we do, chef and the team will be standing inside
Okay.
and keeping in mind social distance. They
Okay.
will serve from there.
Okay.
So it will be total hygiene. This is a corona killer machine. We have to keep the cutleries for minimum 2 minutes. And we
There's
have to put this signage board. This table is not for use. After
Okay.
sanitize, we have to keep minimum 15 to 20 minutes.
Even the menu is touchless.
everything is contactless.
Okay, that's great.
Once your food replacing stops entering, they have to sanitize their seats as well. This is a material we wear the quarantine rooms. If it is dry, like coconuts,
So even the food gets quarantined before it goes into our tummy.
if like vegetables come, so wait here and we have a crate.
Correct.
And this is a three things material.
Okay.
Rinse, sanitized and washed. We have to wash it, sanitize this, and then trolley will come from the inside.
Okay.
And this restricted area only food handlers can go. So
Yes.
to have a proper medical checkup and all,
Right.
person can go inside. After COVID, we have changed 3-4 things: storage, receiving, and quarantine.
Thank you so much, Santosh.
They will check thermometer with that gun. After checking, they will have a meal.
Okay.
Once they're having meal, they have to wait for the queue for the uniforms. So we are to maintain the social distance. We do keep only 33% occupancy. Like we do have 84 rooms, but we are giving only 28 rooms as
Okay.
per the government.
Okay, that's great. This wasn't enough. The whole staff stayed isolated for more than 3 months in this resort just to make sure that the upcoming guests are safe and feel secured. Let's hear from them.
How you people have been isolating here so that we are safe and all. Everybody wants to know.
जैसे पैराडाइमिक अपना ये सिचुएशन हुआ तो हम जितने भी पैन इंडिया में लोग हमने डिसाइड किया, हमने एक SOP पे काम किया. उसके बाद हमने ये डिसाइड किया कि हम जो भी एक्टिविटीज़ बच्चों के लेके आएंगे वो पूरी सेफ होनी चाहिए और पूरी सैनिटाइज होनी चाहिए. इसी दौरान हमने फिर एक और डिसीजन लिया कि क्यों ना कि जो जितने भी हमारे HODs हैं और एंटरटेनर्स हैं, हमारे होटल हॉस्पिटैलिटी में जितने वर्कर्स हैं, क्यों ना रिजॉर्ट में आके रहें. हम पिछले 3 महीने से अपने रिजॉर्ट्स में रह रहे हैं अपनी फैमिलीज़ के साथ और रिजॉर्ट हमारा बहुत अच्छा ख्याल रहा है.
Looking at the precautions which they are taking, we feel safe to travel with family.
Hi. Is it your first trip? Huh? So sweet. So you all feel safe right here? Yes.
feel safe.
We feel safe.
We feel safe.
And finally, when your holiday journey is over, we wish you a safe trip home.
So let's support
Tourism.